Hello, my name is Stella Viachika. Today we are going to talk about analysis of Staphylococcus in food samples. The media that we use is bad Parker agar, and it's supplemented with tellurite egg yolk emulsion. There are so many other media that you can use for analysis of Staphylococcus, but this is the one we're going to show today. If you refer to the previous video on analysis of liquid samples, we talk about the surface plate technique. That is the same technique that we use in analysis of Staphylococcus species in food. In that technique, you recall that we use pre-poured agar plates. So you will already have plates of what I'm now going to call BPA. BPA is bad Parker agar. Remember, it's supplemented with tellurite egg yolk emulsion. So in that technique, you will remember that we analyze at least 3 dilutions from the cereal dilutions, and we plate them, okay? So in this case, we have the -2, the -4, -6, and -8 dilutions. And like we mentioned that time, the dilutions, the number of dilutions doesn't really matter. What we're interested in are plates or dilutions that will give us colonies that are countable, preferably in the range of 30 to 300. So as we can see here, at the -2 dilution, we have an overgrowth. Staphylococcus on bad Parker agar appears as black colonies, gray to black colonies. So the black coloration you're seeing here are actually colonies of Staphylococcus on the plate. We don't yet know whether it's Staphylococcus aureus or Staphylococcus any other species. That we'll have to do a confirmation test. When we look at the -4, we see the colonies are more countable. What I want you to note that not everything that is black or gray on the plate is presumptive Staphylococcus. When we see some black colorations or gray colorations, some colonies are not typical of Staphylococcus, and we don't consider them. A typical Staphylococcus colony or Staphylococcus aureus for that matter is a black colony, and it has a halo around it, a clearing, a zone of clearing around it, okay? So there we are confident to a certain degree that it's Staphylococcus aureus, although we have to do other confirmation tests. So when we look at the plates of 10 to the power -6, we have more countable colonies, but like I've mentioned previously, this colony is too large, and it's not really typical of Staphylococcus, so we don't consider it in this case. If you do a confirmation and it's Staphylococcus, then maybe it could be a different species, not aureus. Then at 10 to the power -8, we can see there are no colonies. So it's always important to be careful in the type in the dilutions that we choose when we are doing the plating. After the cereal dilutions, we put the plates in the incubator at 30 degrees for 48 hours. In the first 24 hours, the plates are incubated upright. Thereafter, they are inverted and left to incubate in that position for the next 24 hours.